Hi everyone, welcome to KRX 9.8. I think in the last, I was explaining the last class. I was explaining this question, if you remember. So there was something happened. That's why I was not able to record that one. So if you note it down. I will just explain you for you people. The last part is there now. We are at here only. The answer will come 1 by 2. The answer will come 1 by 2 only. See here. See. I'm doing for this part. This part I am doing. So don't have an issue. So since I thought like 1 or 2 questions were still I have to make it to solve you. So that's why I come with another lecture. This is my sixth lecture. And today everything will complete. I will try to make this lecture very short because the last lecture I think it will be around 40-45 minutes will be there. I have to check that one. But let's say complete this lecture through this question. After that I think 1 or 2 questions is there that I will make you do here. Okay? Okay sir. No issue sir, no issue. We will take it this much sir. Okay, very good. You people are only the inspiration for me, so that I am keeping this video. While teaching in Bangalore, I found the things, the way I was teaching to those students, those students are getting very helpful in solving their board examination. And while teaching in this last 6 or 7 years, I felt out the way I am teaching, it will be very easy for any individual student to understand the things. Correct na? Correct sir, you are saying very correct sir. Okay. Where we are? Sir, we are finding the, actually for these questions, we have already gone through this one sir. Sir, f of 0 value is c and limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is a plus 2 and limit x tends to 0 plus. We are finding this one. We are at this position. Okay. This one is limit h tends to 0 only. Correct sir. F of 0. What does it mean? Sir, go in the function. Which function I have to go? Sir, go in the function, this function. The function which is defined for x greater than 0. Which function is defined for x greater than 0? Sir, root over x plus bx square minus root x divided by b x to the power 3 by 2. This function is valid when when x is greater than 0. Very good. Means this expression says you go in the given function, this function, and in place of x keep 0 plus h. Means I will write limit h tends to 0. Sir, root under 0 plus h is h plus bh square minus root h divided by, sir, b h to the power 3 by 2. Arey bhaiya, in place of x we are keeping 0 plus h, and h is what? 0 plus h is what? H only. So in place of x I am keeping only, you can see the h. The h plus, in place of x I am keeping 0 plus h is what? H only. So h plus bh square minus root h divided by bh to the power 3 by 2 is there. Okay. Now last question, what I told you. Sir, whenever you see the root, rationalize it. Sir, whenever you see the root, rationalize it. Okay sir, I will follow your instruction. Go for that. Sir, rationalizing it from numerator. Root is in the numerator, na? Correct sir. Root is in the numerator. Sir, I will rationalize it from the numerator only. Very good. Sir, go for that one. Limit h tends to 0. Now see. So what I have to do? Sir, rationalization method. I know sir, rationalization method. How? Show me. Sir, you write like this one. H plus bh square. Very good. Sir, here it is minus na. You write plus. Okay. Whatever written here. Okay. Now down term you write like as usual, b s to the power 3 by 2 into, sir, whatever the, sir, first you write this part na. Okay, because this is my next term is there. Already minus root is there. Now we are rationalizing. So we are rationalizing here root under h plus bh square. If it is minus here, I have to write plus root h. So I have multiplied this term extra in the numerator. So same thing, I have to divide this term, that is root over h plus bh square plus root h. Clear? Clear sir. Sir, here a is, are you able to see some formula? Sir, a minus b into a plus b. हम कि yes, yes. Sir, what is that formula? हम कि a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Correct na? Yes, sir. Sir, what is a here? हम कि here a is this part. Sir, root under h plus bh square is my a. हम कि yes. Your a is root over h plus bh square. And sir, my b is, your b is complete root h. Complete root h is your b. Complete root over h plus bh square is your a. Sir, a minus b into a plus b means a square minus b square. हम कि yes, a square minus b square means, sir, I will write like this one. हम कि tell me how we will write. Sir, can I write like this one? हम कि sir, limit h tends to 0, a square minus b square, a square of this part. Sir, root will go. Root will remove means, sir, it will be h plus bh square minus b square, root of h square. Sir, h only, h divided by bh to the power 3 by 2 into h plus bh square का root plus root h. Correct? Correct, sir. Sir, you cancel this one. H to h cancel out. Now, can you see here? Very important. Can you see here? Here it is written h plus bh square. I am solving here. Please look after this one. Sir, root under h plus bh square plus root h is given. Can I solve like this one? See, can I take h common? Yes, sir, h common. 1 plus bh can I write? Yes, sir. Plus root h is there. If this h will come from the root, what will it become? Sir, anything from the root will come when it is in pair. Like 2 into 2, it is written in the inside the root, it will come 2. 2 into 2, to root under 2 into 2, sir, it will be 2. 4 into 4, sir, if it is written in 4 into, if inside it is written 4 into 4, sir, the value will be 4. Root h, outside it will come, sir, it become root h into root under of 1 plus bh plus root h. Are you getting this one? Now this root h and this root h I will take common. So we have root under 1 plus bh plus 1. So can I write like this one? Sir, using this part. Clear? Sir, you write like this one. Limit h tends to 0. Okay, very good. Sir, you put above it is written bh square. Down it is written bh to the power 3 by 2. And this part you have solved here. This part I am writing root h into root over 1 plus bh plus 1. Now you tell me h to the power 3 by 2 and root into h. So root h is basically your root h is nothing but h to the power 1 by 2. You know all these things. Now h to the power 3 by 2. H to the power 3 by 2. Carefully watch it. Sir, h to the power 3 by 2 into h to the power 1 by 2. Sir, base same, power will add up. Base same, sir, power will add up. Means h to the power 3 by 2 into h to the power 1 by 2. Sir, base is h. So power will add up. 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Sir, 4 by 2. Okay, 4 by 2 by 2. 4 by 2 value is, sir, 2. 2 means sir, whatever you have written here, limit h tends to 0. Okay, this is bh square divided by this h to the power is 2 only. So this is also become bh square into root under 1 plus bh plus 1. So this will cancel out, sir. Okay. Now, is there any term of h multiplied in multiplication term? Sir, there is nothing like h into something in denominator. I told you, whenever something written in the denominator like h into something, then you can't keep the value of h as a 0. If it is written in denominator, always try to eliminate the h. If it is written in something like this one, h into something like a plus 1 into something. It is not written like this. If it is in multiplication way, if it is written in the multiplication, if it is written in like addition, subtraction, it's fine. Because if I am keeping h here 0, the function is, it's not like it is not, it's become undefined. It's nothing like something coming 1 by 0. See, if you keep the value as h is 0, so b into 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. and root 1 value is 1. 1 plus 1. So 2 means above is 1 divided by 2. Note it down. Sir, still you have not find the value. Okay, still I have not find the value. Please note it down. I will find the value A, B, C. Okay? Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Pause it and take a screenshot possible. Sir, find the value. Where is the value, sir? Okay, value. Sir, f of 0 is, see, I am finding the value. Here only I am finding the values. Carefully watch it. This I am deleting. See, f of 0 value is, sir, f of 0 is c. And they are already saying the given function is continuous at x is equal to 0. Means this c value has to be equal to limit x tends to 0 minus, that is equal to a plus 2. And that is equal to x greater than 0 plus, that is equal to 1 by 2. So if I will equate this to this one, so c is equal to 1 by 2. And if I will equate this to this ones, so a plus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So a is equal to 1 by 2 minus 2. So minus 4, that is equal to 1 minus 4 by 2, that is minus 3 by 2. So your c value is 1 by 2 and your a value is minus 3 by 2. Note it down. Note it down. Today is the last lecture. This is the last lecture for your continuity questions. Okay? Okay, sir. Okay, I will delete this one. I will remove this one. Okay, sir. Pause it, then note it down. See, I'm not leaving not a single type of concept which is already came in your board examination. Whatever I'm teaching you, every time I'm saying that will be enough. After that, you go for your NCERT and solve your NCERT book. Okay? Okay, sir. I will follow your instructions, sir. Okay, write a question. Okay, sir. What is that question, sir? Amki, write it. Sir, tell me. Amki, write. Okay, sir. Tell me. If the function, there is a function f of x. They are saying f of x is there. There is a function f of x is there. And f of x is equal to 3ax plus b is there. And this function is defined when x is greater than 1. F of x is equal to 11. And this f of x is equal to 11 when x is equal to 1. I think now you people are habituated of all these things, what I am doing here, how I am writing. Yes, sir, I got it, this one. Means this f of x, this function is defined for x greater than 1. This f of x is equal to, sir, 3ax plus b. At x is equal to 1, sir, the given function value is 11. And the f of x is equal to 5ax minus 2b when x is less than 1. And they are saying this given function is continuous at x is equal to 1. Then find the value of a and b. So we have to find the value of a and b. They are saying if f of x is given like this one, 3ax plus b when x is greater than 1, f of x is equal to 11 when x is at 1, means at x is equal to 1, f of 1, the value is at f of 1, means the function value is, what is the function value at x is equal to 1? Sir, it is 11, and the function is defined for x greater than 1, it is 3ax plus b, and for x less than 1, it is 5ax minus 2b, and they are already saying the given function is continuous at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1, then find the value of a and b. Then find the value of a and b. Okay, sir. Sir, how I will find the value of a and b? Sir, the rule is simple, sir. Already whatever the rule you taught me, what the rule is there I taught you, man? Sir, you taught me, what the rule? Sir, limit x tends to a minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to a plus f of x is equal to f of a. This is the condition for any function to be continuous. This is the condition for any function to be continuous. Okay. Means this function is continuous, means it will satisfy all these things. Yes, sir, it will satisfy. Sir, what is a here? A is 1. At 1, in this question, we have to talk about the continuity of the given function. At x is equal to 1. Means I have to check limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x is equal to f of 1 only. Correct, na? Okay. So, and after equating these equations, I will get my values of a and b. Correct, sir. Means start the question, sir. Tell me, what is f of 1? Sir, f of 1 meant at x is equal to 1. In place of x, you keep here 1. So, f of 1 value is 11. They are saying only this function f of x is equal to 11 when x is equal to 1. So, f of 1 means here in place of x here, I will keep 1. So, f of 1 value is 11 only. Correct, sir. Correct, sir. Go for next one. Sir, limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 1 minus h. Sir, you are finding left hand limit. Very smart guy. Left hand limit. Sir, for left hand limit, for less than 1, which function is valid? For less than 1, sir, this function is valid, sir. 5ax minus 2b. 5ax minus 2b is valid for x less than 1. Okay, means this expression says, sir, go in the function and in place of x, which function? Sir, this function, keep 1 minus h. So, I will go in the function. Limit h tends to 0. 5a in place of x, I will keep 1 minus h minus 2b. I will open this one. Limit h tends to 0. 5a into 1. 5a into 1. Sir, 5a. Minus 5ah. Minus 2b. Now, is there any term of h in the denominator? Sir, not a single term of h in the denominator. Then directly keep the value of h tending to 0 only. H is tending to 0, keep h as 0. If you keep h as 0, sir, this will go and the value will be, sir, 5a minus 2b. This is the value of limit x tends to 1 minus. I have to talk about x tends to 1 plus. Let's talk about. So, limit x tends to 1 plus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h. Which function is valid? Sir, this function for greater than 1. For greater than 1, this function is there. Go in the function and in place of x, keep 1 plus h. Means it is limit h tends to 0, 3a 1 plus h plus b. Okay, sir. Multiply this one. Open this one. Sir, if you open this one, limit h tends to 0. Okay. 3a into 1. Sir, 3a. 3a is there, man. A. Okay. 3a plus 3a into h. Sir, 3ah. Plus b. Is there any term of h in the denominator? No, sir. Then directly keep of h is 0. If I am keeping, this value is coming 3a plus b. Now, since they are saying the given function is continuous at 1, means I can say f of 1, that is 11, is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus, that is 5a minus 2b equal to 3a plus b. Now I have two unknowns, a and b, so two equations I will form. One equation is this one and one equation by this and this. So what will be the equations are there? Sir, your equation is 5a minus 2b is equal to 11 and 3a plus b is equal to 11. Now you solve it. Sir, if you have to solve, make one term same. Make means we have to do the elimination method. Elimination method, you remember, making one term same means if you see this is my equation 1, call this as equation 1, call this as equation 2, so I will multiply this equation 2 with 2. So what will be the result? Sir, result is here only. What is the result? Result is, sir, 5a minus 2b is equal to 11. Downward becoming 2, so it becomes 6a plus 2b is equal to 22. If you add off, this will go. Because 5a minus 2b is 6a plus 2b, minus 2b plus 2b gone. 5a plus 6a, 11a is equal to 22 plus 11, 33. So this implies that a is equal to 33 by 11, that will be 3. If a is 3, keep in any of the equation. Sir, if keep in this one. Sir, 5a minus 2b is equal to 11 and a is 3. So 5 into 3 minus 2b is equal to 11. 5 into 3 is 15. This will go this side, is 15 minus 11. 15 minus 11, 4 is equal to 2b. So this implies that b is equal to 4 by 2. So answer is 2. So here a value is 3. B value is 2. So I got my values. A and B as 3 and 2. Okay. Okay, sir. Pause it, take a screenshot. Yes, sir. Go for the next question. Write it. Sir, written, sir. Very good, very good. Pause it and then write the question. Write it whatever written here. Your mathematics syllabus of CBSE board examination I will complete by anyway December. I will try it before also how much it possible. But keep in mind that he is taking regular classes. The discontinuity in the classes was because of I have some work was there that I was in due, so I have to complete that work. So that's what I was not in Bangalore. Due to this reason, I was not able to record my videos. Okay, sir. No issue, sir. We'll support you, sir. No issue. No issue, sir. We can understand. Sometimes happen. Very good, my student. Very good. Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. Go for that, sir. Go for the question. What is question, sir? Question. Find the value of k for which the function find the value of k. Okay. For which the function. Okay. For which the function. What is your function is there? For which the function, sir, function is f of x and this function is k cos x divided by pi minus 2x. K cos x divided by pi minus 2x. This function is valid if x does not equal to pi by 2. Okay. And f of x is equal to 3 if x is equal to pi by 2. So they are asking find the value of k for which the function is f of x and f of x is given as k cos x by pi minus 2x. And this function is valid when x is not equal to 2. Not equal to 2 means this function is valid for both x greater than pi by 2 and less than pi by 2. Correct? Now, if it is less than x is not equal to pi by 2, means this function f of x is equal to k cos x divided by pi minus 2x. This function is valid for both x greater than pi by 2 and x less than pi by 2. And at x is equal to pi by 2, the function f of x value is given as 3. So in this condition, they are interested in finding the value of k. Go for the question. Try it from your side. Pause it and try it from your side. Everyone who are listening to me, who are on this CareX, please, I'm telling them, follow the instruction what teacher is saying you. Okay? Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, you try, sir. You do, sir. Okay, I will do only. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have tried, sir. Okay, tried. How you will do? How will you start? Sir, your way only. Okay, what is my way? What is my way? Sir, go with f of pi by 2 only. At, one sec, I think. At pi by 2 only. Okay, f of pi by 2. Sir, value is 3 only. Okay. At x is equal to pi by 2, the value is 3. Don't get anything confusion that this is pi by 2 written, sir, every time you are talking about x is equal to 0. In the last question, I talked about x is equal to 1. Anything can be there. Here x is pi by 2. What is the issue? Sir, no issue is there, sir. Already you discussed everything, sir. Here that time x is equal to 0 was there. Here at x is equal to pi by 2 is there. And I know some basic things. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Cos pi by 2, cos 90. Pi by 2 is what? 90 degree. 90. Let's say some trigonometric function will come also because we have cos x. So we know about cos, na? We know about like if there is n pi by 2 plus minus theta, lecture 1. N pi by 2 plus minus theta. Then any trigonometric function, this sign will go with cos. Sin change to cos, cos change to sin, tan change to cot, cot change to tan. Got it, sir? Got it. That the first lecture he taught you. And any trigonometric function written in the form of n pi plus minus theta, sir, sin will remain sin only, cos will remain cos only, tan will remain tan only, cot will remain cot only. Hamki cosec will remain cosec only, sir. Hamki sec will remain sec only. Sir, these things you have taught me in the first lecture. The person who are not able, the student who are not able to understand, go in the first lecture and watch those things. If you find problem, pause it here, go for the first lecture. Lecture 1, your doubt will get clear, and then come at this point. Okay? Okay, sir. I follow your instruction. Very good. Sir, what we have to do? I told you. This function is only valid for x greater than pi by 2. And at x less than pi by 2. I am interested in finding limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x. X tends to pi by 2 minus f of x. Means we are interested in left hand limits. Pi by 2 minus. This is pi by 2 is there. So right plus is right hand limit. Minus is left hand limit. Means I will write how I told you to write in for the board examination. Sir, it is limit h tends to 0 f of pi by 2 minus h. Now, which function is valid? Sir, this function is only valid for x greater than pi by 2 and less than pi by 2. So, we are talking about x less than pi by 2. Sir, go in this function. Means this function, in place of x, keep pi by 2 minus h. In place of x, keep pi by 2 minus h. Sir, limit h tends to 0, k cos x is pi by 2 minus h divided by pi minus 2 into x is sir pi by 2 minus h. Now you tell me You only tell me, sir, what I will tell you. Tell me cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Sir, n pi by 2 plus minus theta is cos is going to change into sine. Very good. Whatever here theta, write the theta. So in this problem it is h. Cos pi by 2 minus theta. Theta is h here. Theta is h. So write the theta. Sir, sine h. Sir, here plus and minus will come. Who will decide? Sir, he will decide only. Lecture 1. Cos right now which quadrant? Sir, this is my 0, this is my pi by 2, this is my pi, this is my 3 pi by 2, and this is my again 2 pi. Pi by 2 minus means first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. Sir, cos is also positive, so here it will come plus. Here plus and minus will come. Who will decide? He will decide only. Okay? Okay, sir. So can I write it? Yes, sir, you can write it, sir. Correct, na? Go in the first lecture. Sir, here you write, sir, k times of, okay, this k I have taken outside, limit, okay, h tends to 0, cos pi by 2 minus h. Sir, sin h, sin h, yes, sir. Sin h divided by pi minus, now 2 into pi by 2. Sir, 2 cancel, we have pi only. Very good. Minus plus, so plus 2h. Minus pi plus pi cancel. So we have, and this is equal to, so we have, I'm writing here only, k into limit h tends to 0 sin h divided by 2h. Can I take this 2 outside from here? Yes, this 2 is multiplied, I can take it outside. So we can write k by 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin h by h. Sir, sin dabba divided by dabba, when dabba tends to 0, value is 1. Sin dabba divided by dabba, when dabba tends to 0, sir, value is 1. Sin dabba divided by dabba, when dabba tends to 0, value is 1. Sir, here, sir, it will little bit looks, sin dabba, sin h by h, when limit h tends to 0, value is 1. So I will write, sir, it is k by 2 only. So your left hand limit is coming k by 2. Let's find for, see, I can equate it here only. So k by 2 is equal to 3, so k is equal to 6. Because I know the given function is continuous. Continuous means this left hand limit also equal to f of pi by 2. But in the board examination, you have to also find right hand limit. You have to also find right hand limit. Shall we do it? Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Sir, here only you do. This is for left hand limit. Sir, go for right hand limit. हमके limit x tends to pi by 2 plus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of pi by 2 plus h. Which formula, sir? Same function. Same function is defined for x less than pi by 2 and x greater than pi by 2. Okay, sir. So go in the function. If I will keep here, sir, limit h tends to 0. So what will come? Sir, again the same thing. K cos x is pi by 2 plus h. Pi by 2 plus h divided by pi minus 2 into pi by 2 plus h. Again same thing, cos n pi by 2 plus minus theta. Sir, cos is going to change into sine. Whatever whatever theta here, you write the theta. And which quadrant? Sir, plus minus pi by 2 this quadrant, plus pi by 2 this quadrant. Second quadrant, sine theta and cosec theta are positive. Second quadrant, that is between pi by 2 and pi, sine theta and cosec theta are positive. Sir, cos theta and cos theta is negative. Cos theta is positive only in the fourth quadrant, that is between 3 pi by 2 to 0 pi, 2 pi. 3 pi by 2, this is the fourth quadrant. Rule the rule. Sir, what is rule is there? Cast. C4 means fourth quadrant, that is from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Cast C means cos theta and sec theta is positive. Rest are negative. Here all are positive in the first quadrant, that is between 0 to pi by 2. Second quadrant is from pi by 2 to pi. Here sin theta, C-A-S-T, C for cos theta and sec theta positive. Here all positive. Here sin theta and cosec theta are positive. So rest negative. Here tan theta and cos are positive. Rest negative. So we can see here cos pi by 2 plus h, cos will go to sin, whatever theta, here theta is h. So I can write limit h tends to 0, k into sin and what sin h, and here plus and minus. Sir, cos in the second quadrant cos is negative. So minus sin h, so I can take this minus sin h divided by pi minus 2 into pi by 2, pi cancel, pi minus pi will cancel, man. Minus 2h is there, sir. Sir, this minus to this minus cancel. And what I will do, I will take this k by 2 outside. K by 2 outside, limit h tends to 0, sin h by h. And sin dabba by dabba, when dabba tends to 0, value is 1. So it is coming k by 2 only. Since I know the given function is continuous, so I will say left hand limit is also k by 2. Right hand limit is also by k by 2. And f of pi by 2 is 3. Means k by 2 is equal to 3. So k value is? K value. Sir, k by 2 is equal to 3. This implies that k is equal to 6. You will write, sir, limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x is equal to k by 2. Limit x tends to pi by 2, f of x is also k by 2, and f of pi by 2 is 3 only. So since we know that, by writing that equation, limit x tends to a minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to a plus f of x is equal to f of a, the condition for continuity of the function, I can say k value is 6 here. Clear? Clear, sir? One more function I will take. One more question is there. Note it down. Note it down. Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. Sir, everything you have explained. These things are you getting na? Cos pi by 2, cos of n pi by 2 plus minus theta. Here in this case minus was there. Then also plus minus theta. I have explained in the first lecture. Sir, cos, whenever written cos of n pi by 2, n is also odd. Odd is 1, to 1 pi by 2. Plus minus theta, here minus h is there in previous case. So cos is going to convert into sine. Now I have to talk about sine, whatever here theta is, I have to write theta. Theta is h here. That's why I have written h. And now here plus and minus will come. Who will decide? Sir, he will decide only. Which quadrant right now cos is? Sir, in pi by 2 minus means it's in first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. So that's why I keep here. In this case, cos again n pi by 2 plus theta. N pi by 2 plus theta or n pi by 2 minus theta. Cos is going to convert into sine. Who will decide here? Sine h. So sine h. Here plus and minus will come. Who will decide? Sir, cos will decide. Cos pi by 2 plus theta. Sir, second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative. That's why I am using here minus. And the downward will also come minus if you solve this one. That's why this minus and this minus cancel out. Clear? Clear, sir? I'm going to go for one more question. Go for one more question. Okay. Write the question. Sir, question. Okay. Sir, function is given to you. F of x. I'm not writing little bit. language. There, I'm just explaining you. You do. F of x is given as 5. F of x, if the f of x is given 5, when x is less than equal to 2. Function f of x is given 5 when x is less than equal to 2. F of x is equal to ax plus b when x is greater than 2 but less than 10. Okay. And the function value f of x is equal to 21 when x is greater than or equal to 2, 10. Like this one they have given. And they are interested in finding, they are saying, you find the values of a and b such that the following function is continuous. Question is, find the value of a and b if the given function is continuous. If the given function is continuous. They are not saying at a particular point, means at every point this function is continuous. We have to check at x is equal to 2 also. We have to check at x is equal to 10 also. You can see this function is f of x is equal to 5 when x is less than equal to 2. Means at f of 2 the function value is 5 only, because the sign is saying this function value is 5 when x is either less than 2, means 2 for 2 minus h, f of 2 minus h, or limit x tends to 2 minus, means for left than, this is 2. So for 2 plus h, what is your function? Sir, ax plus b greater than 2 only. At 2, sir, it is 5. Okay, less than 2, sir, also 5. At 10, sir, at 10 means x is greater than or equal to 10. Greater than 10 also the function value is 21. At 10 also the function value is 21. And less than 10, we have to go for this one. Means this ax plus b is valid for greater than 2 and less than 10. Okay? Try this one, this question. Try this question. Okay? Okay, sir. Sir, you start. My first rule. First, I will talk about at x is equal to 2. So, I am writing here at x is equal to 2. There, because they are not saying the given function is continuous at. They are saying find the value of a and b if the following function is continuous. Means it is continuous at both at x is equal to 2 and at x is equal to 10. Simple is there. I have to prove the condition of continuity at x is equal to 2 and at x is equal to 10. Okay, sir. So at x is equal to 2 means first I will write f of 2. Sir, f of 2, this function value is 5. I will write limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 2 minus h. Sir, from here I can see here, sir, they are saying go in the function and in place of x keep 2 minus h. Sir, which function? The function which is valid for less than 2. Sir, less than 2 function value is only 5. Oh, sir, 5 only. Now, sir, limit x tends to 2 plus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 2 plus h. Sir, they are saying now go in the function which is valid for x greater than 2, not equal to 2 also, greater than 2. And there you have to keep and that function in place of x keep 2 plus h. Sir, which function? This is the function valid for x greater than 2 and less than 10. So greater than 2 is there. Sir, here I will write limit h tends to 0. In place of x I will keep 2 plus h. So a into 2 plus h plus b. If I will open this one, sir, limit h tends to 0, 2a plus 2a plus ah plus b. I told you if there is no term of h, because here h is tending to 0. if there is no term of h in the denominator, we can simply direct keep the value of h over whatever here h is tending to. Sir, here h is tending to 0, so we can keep directly h as 0. Sir, this if you keeping this value will be 0, we have 2a plus b. Correct na? Okay sir. Now at x is equal to 10, so I can see here, I can see from here, you can see I can equate it. F of 2 is equal to 5, limit x tends to 2 minus is equal to 5, and limit x tends to 2 plus also 5. Means I can from here, since we know that the given function is continuous at all the points. All the points means I can see from here, I can easily say, sir, since it is continuous, means this equal to this equal to this, I can say, therefore 2a plus b is equal to 5. This is my equation 1. I have two unknowns are there, a and b. So one equation I got from at x is equal to 2 by defining the condition of continuity. So other equation will come at x is equal to 10. At x is equal to 10. Sir, do it, sir. I can do it, me only. Yes sir, you have to do only. Okay, let's talk about at x is equal to 10. At x is equal to 10. Let me see, everything is coming on. Yeah, sir, it's coming. So at x is equal to 10, what is there? Sir, again, sir, same thing. What is same thing, sir? Sir, go for f of 10. At 10, this function is defined for both x greater than 10, the function value is 21. At 10 also the function value is 21. So f of 10 value is 21. Limit x tends to 10 plus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 10 plus h greater than 10. Which function is there? Sir, this function. So function value is there. Yes sir, how much? Sir, 21. Go for limit left hand limit at x is equal. Sir, limit x tends to 10 minus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 10 minus h. Which function is valid for this one? Sir, less than 10 this function is there. So go in this function and in place of x keep 10 minus h. Sir, limit h tends to 0, it will come a into 10 minus h plus b. If you open this one, it will come limit h tends to 0, okay, a into 10, 10a, minus a into h, sir, minus h, plus b. Now again the same thing, there is no term of h in the denominator, so I can keep h, whatever here h is tending to. Sir, here h is tending to 0. Sir, keep the value of h as 0. So this a's term becomes 0. So I will get 10a, I will write, sir, 10a plus b. And since I know that the given function is continuous at all the points, means this is also continuous at x is equal to 10. If it is continuous at x is equal to 10, means f of 10 is equal to limit x tends to 10 plus is equal to limit x tends to 10 minus, means I will write, sir, 10a plus b is equal to 21, and this become my second equation. So we have first equation, second equation. Are you not able to solve the equations and get the values a and b? Sir, I will do that part, sir. Two equations are there, two unknowns are there. We can easily find the values of a and b. Clear? Okay. Okay sir, note it down, take a screenshot possible, note it down, take a screenshot possible. I am giving you one or two questions so that you can practice it. If you are not able to solve it, I can make a 10-minute 20-minute videos for that also, but put in the comment box. Okay sir, just write that question. Sir, you have deleted, I have not written. Pause it, Then write it. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I got it, sir. I'm not that much dumb, sir. I'm not thinking even that much. Correct, sir. Correct. Okay. Okay, sir. Write that question. Okay, sir. Sir, this is like a homework. Yes. This is like your homework. Again, the question is same thing. Find the values of A. Find the values of A. For which the function defined, for which f is function is defined as, how it is defined? Sir, f of x is equal to a sine, sir, it is 9 or a? Sir, it is a. Little bit, I am telling you, a sine pi by 2 into x plus 1 when x is less than equal to 0, and f of x is equal to tan x minus sin x divided by x cube when x is greater than 0. So find the values of a for which the f function is defined like this one, is continuous at x is equal to 0. Is continuous at x is equal to 0, and this is also your PYQs. Okay. Okay, sir. And sir, one more question, sir. One more question. This is question 1. This is question 2. So that the function f of x is equal to, what is your function is there? Sir, x square sine of 1 by x. If this function is there when x does not equal to 0, and f of x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, so at x is equal to 0. Means, so what, sir? What actually happens, sir? They are saying so that the given function f of x is this much. X square sine of 1 by x. When x is not equal to 0, means this function is valid for both x greater than 0 and less than 0. And at x is equal to 0, the function value is 0. So we have to show the continuity of the function at x is equal to 0. Means your point A is here 0. A is that point. Clear? So 2 questions I have given. I think for you to solve it. Okay. So this is for today lecture. I think every questions I have taken. Most of the questions I have taken it. Now you can go for your NCERT mathematics book and try all the questions. Okay. If anything is there, any doubt is there, you can put in the comment box. Okay. I will go through that also. And that this much of lecture is very important. These 2 questions are also very, very important question, because even these 2 questions are your previous year questions are there. Okay. Okay, sir. So do hard work. If you are not able to keep, like today lecture, if you are not able to understand, I will advise you go for the first lecture. Always start from the first lecture is there. Okay. So everything related to continuity I have given here. So I will advise you go from the lecture 1. Okay. Take a pen and paper. Now how the lecture is proceeding, you write it down and try to memorize the formula. That is very important. Even today I am telling you for your next lecture that I will start as a differentiation. That is very, very important. Okay. So be healthy and do hard work. Thank you, sir. Thank you.